I'm Janessa from Johnson Plastics Plus, and today we're going to show you how to make an ADA compliant sign. First, we're going to start by cutting out our backer. Today we're using our ADA compliant, ADA alternative material in an 1/8 inch gauge. We're using item code 341321, and we're going to cut it out on this laser. Our ADA alternative material is wonderful for ADA signs because it's compliant with a matte finish instead of gloss. And it comes in 32nd inch, 16th inch, and 1/8 inch, and some colors even come in 1/4 inch. Now that our backer is cut out, we'll move on to our applique. Now that we've cut out our backer, we'll move to the applique. We're going to use item code 311204, and you can order that with or without the 3M adhesive. It's a wonderful adhesive that'll last for years to come. We are going to have it on top of Seclima to keep everything in place. And again, this is a 1/32 inch applique material, matte finish, perfect for ADA compliant signage. In addition to the pictograms and the words, we're also going to be cutting out a jig or a template. That way we can make sure that everything is aligned and centered perfectly when we apply it to our backer. Now that we have our applique cut out, let's move on to the router to do our braille. Now that we have our laser cut backer piece, we're going to drill the holes for our braille on our router. We're going to put the piece onto Seclima to keep it in place and unmask the front. Now we're using a special bit designed specifically to drill holes for ADA braille. That way the beads will sit in just perfectly and they won't pop out. Today we're using a braille pen from Accent. Accent Signage has all of your needs for ADA compliant signage. We have the braille pens and the raster beads as well. The beads come in black, white, and clear to accommodate all of your needs. When you're inserting the braille beads, you just want to go straight down and pop it in. You don't have to use much pressure. It should be a nice, smooth motion. Now that we have our braille done and it's at a nice compliant height, we're going to go work on our applique. Now that we have our 1/8 inch backer with the braille, we also have our applique with the jig, it's time to put it all together. There's a couple different ways that you can do this. I like to do each piece individually, but you can also tape it in place. Just find whatever works best for you. So I'm going to start by removing the applique off of the Seclima. And we're going to pop out the letters. Now that we have all of our applique pieces popped out, we're going to put our template in place. And you just take the backers off, and it is essentially a sticker that you're just going to put in place and press down. You don't have to press it real hard, just to make sure that it stays in place. Now that all of our pieces are in place, we'll remove the template. We'll take a J-roller and just gently push just to make sure all of that adhesive has a good adhesion to the backer, and then unmask. And that's it. Now you have an ADA compliant sign. You can find all of these items and everything that you need for ADA compliant signage on jpplus.com. For Johnson Plastics Plus, I'm Janessa. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.